Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, I'm discuss very important topic. In the Google AdWords, this topic is very important. That mean by lead generation through video. The option call is TrueViews. The option nothing but drive conversion option. So lot of changes happening in the Google AdWords. This campaign is more important for the users. So how much help for user getting traffic on video to your particular business leads? How much will be help? Now we can go to option will be here. Now will be go the steps. First of all, the select in the campaign google.com/ads or ads.google.com, or else we can go for google.com/adwords. Now click for sign in. In this particular drive conversion, the mainly focus by leads. The mainly focus by leads option. So in these leads, how will be generate? How will be generate? Now, first of all, select new campaign. In this new campaign, first of all, before campaign selection, particular goals are there. So before goals, I'll show you where is the drive conversion option. This is the drive conversion. In the drive conversion, the particular goals are sales, lead generation, website traffic. First of all, sale. The option name is video, drive conversion. No other options. Next, lead, video, drive conversion. Website traffic, video, drive conversion. If you're looking for sales or website leads or website traffic, the option name is in video, drive conversion. Suppose I can go to brand awareness, video, skippable in stream, bumper, non-skippable, outstream, ad sequence, no drive conversion. So which option you're looking for? I'm looking for leads or website traffic, any option. I'm looking for leads, click for video, now will be drive conversion. Click for continue. I'll go the one by one steps. Now you can understand. Now, here, add this option. And before running this campaign, any AdWords account in the particular YouTube will be connection must and should important. How we will connect? Go to click for customize channel. Now we can go to option will be settings. In these channels, advanced setting here. Link your Google AdWords account compulsory important. There is a don't forget that option. Now this. So what is am I looking for? Maximus conversion. So I'm looking for leads. So what is the nothing but maximize conversion. The following bit strategies are not available. These strategies: CPV, CPM, and viewable CPM not possible. Only possible by conversion. So in this drive conversion, budget will be two types. First will be daily budget select or campaign total. So your small change option is there. When selecting campaign total, compulsory you mention by the end date. So when your campaign will be have to finish. When selecting daily budget, no need to mention by end date. So I'll go with the 500. Previous, the estimation report they give by in the right corner. But new update, they can't show by estimation available on the particular here. Estimation not available for ad group with the responsive ad group type. Now, so where you can place this ad? This video will be placed YouTube videos and video partner display network. Video partner display network. And where you can target location. Now is targeting for Hyderabad only. Suppose you can total India, selecting by India. Suppose selecting by all countries, select by the all countries option. Now I'm looking for where? Particular Hyderabad. After that, you can go with the multiple language or one language. So two options or single language also. In this one, major thing is called site link extension. So in this site link extension, you can add your website page links, everything possible. When you click, what is the site link text, description line one, Site link text will be 25 characters, description will be 35, and second description will be 35 characters, and website URL will be 35 characters. So that is a call. Don't exceed your domain character will be more than 18 characters. So that is the reason they will be follow these conditions. So site link as you wish can add your particular drive conversion campaign. Next one, the major important call, additional setting. So any conversion, any particular device you can target. Suppose I have to target only specific target devices like computer, mobile phone, tablet, TV screen. So I can't target by the TV screens and computers, only mobile phone and tablet. You can select this option. But I have to looking for traffic all devices. So that will be hard. And when your ad schedule time, the ad run will be all the days on the particular timings. Any particular time you have to stop the particular ads. There will be ad schedule option. Any campaign structure design, first setup is more important. There is a daily budget and you're setting the countries, your language selection, your particular amount and site link. Everything is more important in the first option. Second option, it will be adding the videos. My video will be responsive. Create a video ad that you can show as a multiple format. Responsive theme, but not only one size. They will show different sizes. So we can example, if you go to blog, so they will show different ads will be here. So when open this option, so here they will be follow these options. You can see this. So the based on this option will be here now. So this all will be coming to in this option. Next will be demographics. Now demographic, we can selecting the particular age target audience. So in the ad format, lot of options are there. So why I can go to specific language, specific country, specific location, or specific gender, age. So everything is important. These all I'm convinced to the here. So we can come into organic market, no specific device, anything will be mentioned. Here we can target, suppose you target only for mobile, go for schedule by the mobile device. That all will be checked in your particular option. So these are all optional thing, but your advanced options. So there are all options will be given by the particular things. See this. So this all will be compulsory important on your ad creation time. Finally, everything will set. So keyword, topic, placement. As you said, anything you can go with this option. So I don't select any particular placement. I can placement is a major important for the video marketing. What does it mean by placement? The placement theme, but you can target on particular video on the particular channel or particular YouTube video, or a particular app, a particular video category, app category, or particular website. These all will be into the placement option. Suppose one channel is very trend. In this channel, enter videos, you have to play your video ad. So that will be accept first option. Only particular one video, we have to show the your video option. Second, you have to any particular category, you can show your video lineups. We have to show video in the particular website. Fourth option, any particular apps. Fifth option. Sixth one, app categories, food related, any particular application, I can show my video on the particular app categories. They are showing for 141 categories: Apple Play App Store and Google Play Store. So that's one. That's your wish, you can select the option. Now here I'm selecting for one video. The video will be happening. So I'm not targeting any particular channel. If you have a particular channel, you will be target. That will be very important. Don't forget this your option. After your channel ID, question mark, sub underscore confirmation is equal 1. That mean by any new user open your channel, automatically they get the notification. They will be give option. So you can give by your particular phone number will be 10 digit and your particular headline. I'll show you the ad preview in the right corner. And This format will be supporting for video discovery and in-stream. Coming to the desktop, you can see this here. Two format, video discovery. Discover not suitable by the mobile device. Only in-stream will be support for here. Skipped and non-skippable. So what are the information you can add here? So in this, every option. Just I'm writing for small information. So headline will be supporting for 15 characters, first headline. Long headline will be 90 characters and description will be 70 characters. This compulsory important. And if you're changing for thumbnail, go with this option. Or else we can using for existing thumbnail option. Last ad name, you can write in description up to 255 characters. But I'm not mentioning particular characters. Now check by preview option how my ad will be shown to the customers. This will be shown to customer will be like this. Skip for the after 5 seconds. Why it is skipping? This will be skippable video ads. The video will be more than 5 seconds. They're showing for skip. So some people asking question recently in my comment on YouTube. So some videos are showing for more than 5 seconds. That will be 15-second non-skippable video ads. 15 seconds non-skippable video ads. That all will be separate campaign. This will be only show by if your video will be less than 5 seconds, non-skippable. If you are more than 5 seconds, you will be skip ad. Now, this will be preview option. But mobile device, I can't show you a preview here. Now you can show the preview in this option. This will be. But mobile device, I can't show. Why? Because how will you open the mobile? We will check by in this only preview option. So video discovery. Discovery no preview. So that is the reason we can't show mobile preview option. Or they show both will be desktop preview option. So in this campaign creation, two things important. Campaign structure design after confirmation. Now I'll go with the confirmation option. So in this here something will be missing here. So that will be compulsory add your things. So I'm writing for wrong phone number. There's no issues here in this particular request. Create your campaign. Here final confirmation. So this will be only for you can understand if I'm creating a ad option. So my campaign will be start today, finishing for no end date. Anytime I can run the campaign, anytime will be stop. So you can have one question is there. So why you not mention by the end date? End date, why not mention here? This campaign anytime running purpose and not mentioned by end date. When running the campaign time, you can change your video also. What is the purpose of leads? I'm looking for maximum conversion into my YouTube channel. The specific location is Hyderabad and language will be English. Inventory type will be standard inventory. So I have created one group, I'm creating for one ad. After running the ad time, we can create n number of ad groups, n number of ads. That all will be support drive conversion. Drive conversion, three things important: sales purpose, lead generation, and website traffic. So this method we can follow, create the drive conversion, finally click for continue to campaign. This campaign will be suitable by users after eligible, after pay your account on reactive, so automatically running your ad on the particular drive conversion campaign. This use on the particular YouTubers and getting more conversion to particular. So here is the final conversion, the ad show to customers, final impression, views, cost of view, and view rate. So if you can download the final report will be zip and in the PNG format. So this is nothing but drive conversions, nothing but you can looking for sales, lead generation or website traffic by video on the particular YouTube or particular website also. So this is the option we can use on the particular drive conversion purpose on YouTube video to getting website traffic. If any doubts, you can ask me in my channel. Don't forget to subscribe channel and ask me any kind of comment. I definitely will be support through our channel and I'll make the video definitely support with the live section and it will be support with you. Thank you. Thank you very much.